Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move your capital in Crusader Kings III. Let me start by loading up a game I prepared before. It's a fresh start with King Charles the Bold of Francia. Right here, as you can see, I have my capital in Paris, but if I would have wanted, for example, to move my capital more inland, let me just look for the capital, duchy capitals like the Alps, right here. Let's say if I want to move the capital from Paris to this county right here, this holding right here, I need to tap on this holding and press this button right here, right next to the county capital. Set holding information right here. Once this button is pressed, you will move your capital to this county. If you click move, as you can see, you will be able to move it back, but be wary, because usually you only can move your capitals once. As you can see, I have already moved my realm capital once, and I cannot do so again. So please be wary of when moving your capital, but sometimes it can be more beneficial to have you and your court in a more centralized location inside your realm. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.